Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, you all know that I'm learning English, and what I'm learning related this I upload video on YouTube. So guys, today in this video I will tell you why do I record myself and why do I record video for YouTube. So I will tell you in this video. So some people ask me and they think about me that I record video for to get subscribers and view. So guys, I honestly say that this is not reason. The reason is not for getting view and subscribers, and this is true reason is for speaking English, for making fluent my English, because I know that when I will decide that I will learn English and I will practice English daily, but after deciding I cannot be consistent what I said. So that's why I thought I should do something what can make me continue. So then I thought when I will be do like this, when I will do means I will make video. So because of video I can practice daily, and I can learn something new daily and little by little. So because of making video I can find my mistakes, and I can find that where I hesitate and what is my I can improve my body language and my pronunciation, because I can notice in video, but I cannot notice without video and without recording. So then I thought if I make video, so then why shouldn't I upload on YouTube? So that's why I started uploading. But guys, earlier I used to make video, but I did not upload. I never uploaded. But after some time I thought, because I used to watch lots of video on YouTube, and they are also their learning page, and they record their video and upload on YouTube. So then I thought that I should also do like this, because I'm also learning English, and I'm already I was recording video, but I never uploaded on YouTube. Then I thought that when I'm learning, then I should upload also, because we have already phone and internet. Then why shouldn't I upload? So then I started uploading, guys. So this is you all should know that I'm not recording my video only for only to get view and subscribers. Yes, when I will find I will get subscribers and view, then it will be best. But my main motive is not to get subscribers and view. When I will find a subscriber and view, then also okay. Otherwise I don't find view and subscriber, then also okay. I have no any type of regret that I am making video, and but also my YouTube is not growing. I will be not disappointed for this. So I think so guys, what was the reason I told you. So that's all for today. Bye bye.